Hi guys. So this will be our first Python program, and as you know, any programming language that you begin with, the first program is always hello world. Okay, right now I'm using online compiler. I think you should feel nostalgic about this screen. I use the same online compiler for teaching and compiling C programs also. It has support for Python also. So it has support for, of course, many languages as shown here. Right now I'm choosing Python 3. Okay, so this is the name of your file, main.py. The website I will share in the email as well as a shared Dropbox folder. So now let us think when we used to write a C code, right? Let me just try a C. Okay. So in C code, do you remember you used to include stdio.h, then void main. Okay, now let us try one thing. Let us write a C code quickly. Include stdio.h, and then I will write void main, some may write int main, then I used to give a curly bracket, then printf, I will write hello world, right? I will give a semicolon, and then I will do a return 1 or return 0, any integer value. After writing so much, let me just duplicate this tab, right? So after writing so much code, when I do a run here, the program compiles and gives me output hello world. So this was for C, right? This you all know. Now let us try to write the same program in Python. Okay, so I will select the language here as Python 3. Okay, so Python has two versions. Like Python 2 became quite a lot famous, but now it has reached the end of life, right? So all of you, I'm requesting you to please use Python 3. I will send the separate installation videos for Python in a separate tutorial. You can just see that. But right now my focus would be on this. So now let us write the equivalent C hello world in Python. Voila. So I will write print hello world, and that's it. Really, that's it. So no semicolon, no print f. So the word f, okay, is removed in Python. And let us try to run this code. Right, you can see here print hello world. Okay, one thing about Python is that it does allow the use of semicolon, but it is totally optional. So let us say I use semicolon in the end of my sentence and compile the code. So it would not give you any error. It will just again print. But since it is not required, then why do you put an extra semicolon, right? For 100-line program, then you will have to put 100 semicolons. So congratulations, this is your first Python program. You have successfully written Hello World program. Let us now write the course name, Hello CS384. Let us try to run it. Say again, CS384, no printf, only print is required. There is no need of semicolon. Okay, the standard stuff that you had with C. Okay, so let's say now I will write print. Sorry, so let us say I write India is my country, and let me put a slash n here, right? Remember in C, slash n was used to do a new line, right? New line starts with n, and hence slash n starts with n. The same goes for Python. So you will have India is my space in one line, and country will go in the other line. So mostly the standard stuff like slash n, slash b, slash t. Okay, let us write one more thing. So let us say twinkle, twinkle, little, and we use a tab now, and star. Okay, so slash t is a tab character. So you will have little more space between little and star. So you can see the extra space here. Basically, this is nothing but a tab space. Okay, so you provide a tab instead of a space here. That's it. This lecture ends here. So you can pat yourself on the back. I would request all of you to kindly try to write this code manually by your hand. Although I am keeping the source file in the Dropbox folder, I will recommend that you write on your own, and only then you will get the feel of it. Okay, thank you for